Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Suffolk Street, located in Salford, to show you this fantastic investment opportunity, sold with sitting tenants, which is coming to the market chain free. So starting at the front of the property, we've got the first bedroom. So it's a 4-bedroom property with en-suites off all of the rooms, all very good size and generously sized bedrooms, again all with en-suites. Property has been maintained, is in within good condition. And then following through to the lounge, we can see we've got a great communal space here as well. And then following through to our kitchen, which is a lovely size, again in really good condition, plenty of storage and space in here. And then we've got our fitted breakfast bar as well. Back door which leads us out to our rear courtyard with access round the back. So you've got a lovely modern fitted kitchen here, again all in really good condition. And then leading up to the first floor, we've got 3 double bedrooms, all with their own 3-piece ensuite. So this is bedroom 2, overlooking the front of the property. So we've got furniture in the rooms as well. As you can see, you've got a bed, further furniture there, some office space as well, wardrobe and drawers, and then our 3-piece ensuite again. Going through to bedroom 3 and the second bedroom on the first floor. Again, very similar in size, furnishings. So this is overlooking the rear of the property. And then we have our ensuite as well, here as well. Again, modern fitted ensuites in all of them, and in really good condition. And then this is bedroom 4, which is completing our first floor and the whole property. Again, a very nice space in here, further storage there, and then our double bed, which leads to the ensuite, which is another really good size, shower, sink and toilet. So this has been the property on Suffolk Street, a fantastic investment opportunity, close to lots of local amenities and transport links. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please call 0161 707 4900.